NFL player to be an MIT professor now, and you walk me through it, it's pretty boring. Like what they do, there are a lot of principles, there are these textualist fealties they have to the actual constitution that they're governed by, and I think they got this right. Texas beat Alabama to start their season. An incredible victory. Of course they got it big. They destroyed Oklahoma State in the Big 12 game. And Alabama, the only question is, was it FSU or Alabama? And in this case, yes, I say this a bit reluctantly, your eye test is also the right answer. And so, congratulations on calling this and feeling it in your bones more than anything else.
And guys, we have video evidence that the committee made the right pick. Yesterday, during that selection show, the camera was running at the University of Michigan. Their football team was watching the selection show as it was happening, and they built a suspense, and the final choice was, as we just played, number 4, Alabama. And when they flashed on the screen, the number 4 was going to be Alabama, and therefore Michigan was going to...
me not enough time to even think. He said the attacker hit him just above the left eye. Smoulier wants to think he landed a punch in response, but is unsure. However, he was still sure he threw one. Smoulier claimed he assumed the attacker was white because the assailant had called him the N-word and mentioned being in MAGA country. He's still going with MAGA country. Oh God, just give it up. The Empire Star then claimed he slipped on some ice and wound up tussling with the 2 attackers on the ground. He then said he was kicked on his right side before the 2...
Fucking hell.
North Korea is looking real funny this time of year. Yeah, I mean, obviously they're not going to be the kind of political freedom you're looking for, but I hear you. England is very scary right now, and this is something that a lot of progressives neglect to acknowledge very conveniently when they talk about the kind of draconian speech codes that they want to impose socially. So they'll say things like, well, these social media companies might be censoring people, but it's done privately, and like political correctness or wokeism are a real problem. It's all just about just being polite and being a different, respectful and decent person. Of course, in Europe, people are actually prosecuted for saying things that challenge the regime that are considered, offensive, that are harmful and, quote unquote, damaging to the. Fuck.
Oh my God! I'm ready. I got my foot. I'm slowly putting some stuff up.
Watch out, watch out!
Whoa! Yeah. What the fuck? I thought we were gonna get hit. Son of a bitch. Did he hit me at all?
No.
Other rituals, or not, it wrote other rune stuff. So, that being the ley line, what's the ritual that created the ley line? So, creating a ritual. Whoa! Shit. Holy shit. That was very close. Yeah.